let's solve this. Thanks for dropping by. So let's solve this first. This is our first equation, second equation. So with the second equation, we make y the subject of the formula. Make y the subject of the equation. Make y subject in equation 2. So y becomes 2x, this 7 crossing over minus 7 equal to y. This minus y crossing over becomes just y. So y is now this. Since we have this slope substitute 2x minus 7 as y in equation 1, meaning that wherever we see y, we impute 2x minus 7 in equation 1. So this is what I mean. X squared plus y squared equal to 10. So it becomes x squared plus, this is now y, 2x minus 7. Let's not forget our square, equal to 10. So let's solve this first. 2x minus 7 squared. This is how to solve it. It becomes 2x. We'll be multiplying itself. It's just 2x minus 7 multiplied to x minus 7. And this is how we do it. Means 2x multiply this and minus 7 multiply this. So 2x multiply this, we have 4x squared minus this multiply this 14x. This multiply this 14x minus 14x minus multiply this becomes plus 49. So now we have 4x squared. This minus 14 minus 14 is minus 28. Minus 28x, that plus 49. So let's not forget, now we are done with solving this. So let's bring down how am I so used to 2? So I just bring it, we just solve this now, and this is what we got. So let's bring down our x squared and our 10. So bring it down. 4x squared minus 28 minus 28x plus 49 equal to 10. So we do it this way. Come over this way and do it this. So x squared plus 4x squared is 5x squared minus 28x plus 49. Now this 10 crossing over becomes minus 10 equal to 0. So we have 5x squared minus 28x. 49 minus 10 is plus 39 equal to 0. So what two numbers can we add to have 28? Two numbers can we add to have 28? That should be minus 15x and minus 13x. Minus 15 and minus 13 will give you minus 28. So plus 39 equal to 0. So let's factorize this. 5x because this time this is 5x and this multiply this is this. Now let's factorize this. What can we use there? We're using 13. Don't forget that whatever you have in your first bracket, you must have in the second bracket. So always make sure you're correct. This is what I mean. You see, we are correct because 5x multiply x, 5x squared, 5x times 3, 15x. Now 13 times this, 13x. 13 times this, 39. So we're correct. So we have 5x minus 13 equal to 0. This 5x minus 13 equal to 0. And then because they are always the same, x minus 3 equal to 0. So now, this just means s is equal to 13 over 5. This goes under 13 over 5. And here, minus, because it's minus here, it's crossing over to become plus. And then because this is minus 2, x is equal to 3. If it was plus here, when it crosses over, it becomes minus. Because it's minus, minus, so the answers are in positive. Now we've gotten our x, the two values for x. Now let's solve for y. Don't forget our equation. 2x minus 7 equal to y. So 2, our x is 13 over 5. So wherever we have, we see x, we put this. So that's what we just done, minus 7. So 2 times this, 26 over 5 minus 7. And 26 over 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 9 over 5. So this is the first number value for y. X has two values, so y should have two values. This is the first value for y. And the second value is 2x. What is our x now? The second x is 3, so we just impute it already. Minus 7. So we have 6 minus 7. So the second value for y is minus 1. 6 minus this is minus 1. So these are the two values for y, the two values for x. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please.